Goa. Dev bore this Moja Goinkara. Today, I am so happy to come back to you on the political situation, what is happening in Goa. Especially with so many parties, political parties coming in, so many actors, so many dramatic people, a circus which is happening. One frog is jumping to another frog. Another frog is jumping to another party. What is happening? It's a crazy circus. All politicians, all MLAs are behaving like animals. Worse than animal. This is the word. Even an animal will understand. If I say to my dog, sit down, they will sit down. But here, the politician is jumping for his personal benefit. Old man, young man, old woman, young woman, jumping. Come on, this is Goa. We are educated. We are modern India. We are modern Goa. We are all intelligent. We are all understanding what is happening now in Goa. You are jumping for your personal benefit. You politician, you MLA, you the social worker is only interested in your personal benefit. You are not going to work for Goa. Your intentions are not clean and clear. You do not have ethics. You do not have principles in your life. What do you think? What are you making out of Goa? You are a traitor. You bring so many several parties in Goa. You bring some party from TMC. You bring this party, some other parties coming over there. What is this? Congress has looted. We know. BJP has looted Goa. We know. BJP MLA and ministers have filthy, illegal wealth being collected by them. All the parties are the same. But remember, now India is waking up. Goa is waking up. Please, my appeal today, before the end of this year, to all Goan and to all NRI who are residing in United States of America, who are residing in the state of Canada, in United Kingdom, in Australia, or wherever, all Goans who are there, please do involve yourself in educating your cousins, your auntie, your uncle, your brothers, your sister, educating them to elect a new blood, a new intelligent, intellectual candidate. Throw this all old 40 MLAs who have ruled for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. We don't want to see their face. Make them naked. Let's put them in the grave. We don't need them. They are fully corrupt. They should be disconnected from our motherland. These people have never done anything good for us. Trust me, I don't want to name anyone, but you have the name who they are. They are the traitor. They are the traitor of our motherland. They have sold our motherland. So be wise and be careful this time. Make a change. Bring a change. Get new candidates and new people in our administration of Goa. Let us throw these traitors out of our Goa motherland soil. I thank you for listening to me, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless you. Bye-bye.